What is up, gamers? It's me, Tornadoes Gaming 24 here. So today, guys, the only thing people have done this before is actually it's like see what happens if I try to load the beds, the first bed ever in Minecraft that you can craft with. So this is the version I think came with beds. It's 0.4.0. So I'm gonna call it a bed in 0.3.0. Put a V. Forgot about that. Put a V. There we go. So I was thinking if I load a bed, if I put a bed in the game, then if I downgrade to 0.3 of the bed that exists, and see what happens. Will it turn into an update block, or will the game will no longer be opened? And by the way, this video is probably the short video. But yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry the video's gonna be so short. Yes, I'm sorry the video's gonna be so short. I can't do anything about it because I love breaking Minecraft a lot. Because why not? Alrighty. But anyway, enough rambling. This is the bed they came with. Where you actually don't sleep at all. So that means I think I'm gonna do put down obsidian just in case. So if I do, what should I do? All accessories? No, let's do all accessories. Why not? What can go wrong? But I have to make sure the platform is nice and huge. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. There we go. So I'm gonna do like this. Oh man, I just opened that up. No, thank you. I'm gonna have to see if I can cut that out. But anyways, I'm gonna do 2 beds this time to make it a little more clear. Actually, let's put 2 beds on the other side like this. Can you do double chests? No, we can't. So I'll put a chest here. So I'm gonna put a chest there. Actually, I need to make this bigger. Yep, kind of like this. Get that. Put that there. And put a furnace here. I think crab tail that does exist in 0.3, so. Oh god, 15%. I have to go quick. Okay. Should we do TNT? Let's do TNT. Why not? I'll put it like right here. Actually, no. That's actually kind of not that one's kind of too close. Even a grass block doesn't exist either. I'll put a TNT block here. I'll put some of these things just in case I want to. Okay, so no, let's do the crab tail for the hell of it. I just want to. Okay. I think we're good. Low doors. No, let's load doors. Why not? I don't think it won't do anything. But alright then. Now I think that might be everything. But I'm gonna go ahead and set up the thumbnail real quick. Okay then. So I decided to load up because of why not. So I think it should be good. So now, anyway, I'm gonna go over here, right here, and my save and quit, and let's go to 0.3. Yes, 0.3, like I said. Okay, I did not expect to be doing this today. No, I don't know what that. Actually, as you can see, now, as you can see, we're in 0.3.0. Okay. I don't know what will happen for today. So many notifications today. Well, let's see what happens if you load some accessories. Except for I'm telling why I put a prompt out for the hell of it. For why not? But anyways, let's see what happens. If you upload your accessories, then if you accidentally load the world in 0.3. One girl without interruption again. I'm such an idiot. But yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and load the world then. Oh man. Okay. Okay, so before we get to that, I'm gonna see if everything looks the same. Okay, looks like doors exist in this version. That's disappointing. Okay, yes. So yeah, same everything, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so where's the gap? Let me find the thing real quick. Alright, so let me know in the comments below what else they got changed. So anyway, I'm gonna be turning around in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay then. Computer changes to an update block. Beds turn into an update block. Chances and a chance in the furnace. Another bed changed to an update block. And the doors are just fine. TNT is fine. Emerald, diamond, gold are still fine. Oh. The doors, you're boring. Boring doors. Oh, jeez. I did not expect you to post the fucking inventory. I didn't get you punched that. I didn't know that. Well, I'm gonna go to survival mode real quick. Okay, so now I made a day now. So, okay, let's see where are these blocks. There's no name to it whatsoever. So, where are these blocks? They just turn into just an update block. Yes, they just turn into an update block. Yes, that's all it did. It turns to an update block. But it doesn't have a name on it though. Well. Well, anyways. I think this would be a perfect way to end out the video here. Hope you enjoyed it, I guess. So yeah, maybe next time we should go even more. So leave a like. If this video gets 3 likes, I'll do the same thing to the craft table. And I'll do the same thing to the doors and stuff. And probably TNT. Why not? So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm giving this probably the info update block, I'm just guessing. But it doesn't have a name on it though. Oh man. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you guys did, go ahead and drop a like. Or subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah. Anyways guys, have a great and awesome day. And as always, peace out. Wow, I did not even expect that was gonna happen. But wow. Wow.